Hey everyone, welcome back to ICS Tech. Today we're diving into the top 6 best drones, the ultimate gadgets to elevate your aerial photography, videography, and outdoor adventures. Whether you're looking to capture breathtaking landscapes, film cinematic action shots, or simply explore the skies for fun, a high-quality drone can completely change the way you see the world from above. In this video, we'll be highlighting 6 of the best drones available right now, ranked by camera quality, flight performance, ease of use, portability, and overall value. From lightweight beginner models to professional-grade powerhouses, there's something here for every kind of pilot. You'll find links to all the featured drones in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest deals and discounts. Now let's get started and find the perfect drone for your next adventure. Number 6. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an ultra-portable drone built for effortless flying and stunning visuals. Weighing just 135 grams, it's lighter than most smartphones and compact enough to fit in a pocket. No registration required. Despite its size, it delivers stabilized 4K video that stays smooth even in windy conditions. You can launch it right from your palm, and with AI subject tracking plus 8 quick shots modes, it automatically captures cinematic clips without any editing skills. Built-in propeller guards make indoor flying safe and stress-free, while the 3-battery combo provides up to 54 minutes of total flight time. The DJI Neo is the perfect choice for travelers, vloggers, and anyone who wants top-quality footage in a small, easy-to-fly package. Number 5. Holy Stone HS900. The Holy Stone HS900 strikes an excellent balance between portability and professional-grade photography. Weighing just 249 grams, it avoids FAA registration while packing a 4K Sony CMOS sensor capable of 48-megapixel photos and crisp cinematic video. Its 3-axis gimbal keeps footage stable in tough conditions, while built-in GPS and auto-return ensure smooth, worry-free flights. It also charges in under an hour and offers an impressive 20,000-foot range, giving you the freedom to explore farther. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or creating content for social media, the HS900 offers a great blend of portability, durability, and advanced imaging. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is the go-to drone for anyone who wants a thrilling first-person view (FPV) flying experience. It includes DJI goggles for a real-time 4K feed with ultra-low latency, making every flight feel incredibly immersive. With motion control, you can steer using natural hand movements, ideal for beginners and FPV veterans alike. Its 4K 60 FPS camera with a 155-degree wide field of view captures ultra-smooth, dynamic shots perfect for racing, action scenes, or nature flights. Propeller guards ensure safety during tight maneuvers, and the Fly More combo includes 3 batteries for extended flying sessions. For those who want to experience the freedom of true FPV with pro-level video, the Avata 2 is a top choice. Number 3. Ruko F11Pro 2. The Ruko F11Pro 2 is a powerful drone designed for creators who prioritize image quality. It comes equipped with a 6K camera and a premium Sony lens, capturing incredibly sharp detail and vibrant color. A 3-axis brushless gimbal provides smooth, cinematic footage, even in challenging conditions, while night mode allows for stunning low-light photography. You'll get up to 70 minutes of flight time across 2 batteries and a 10,000-foot control range. With GPS-assisted features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Orbit Mode, you can capture complex aerial shots hands-free. For filmmakers or travelers who want professional visuals without breaking the bank, the Ruko F11Pro 2 is an outstanding pick. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a flagship drone built for serious aerial photographers and professionals. It features a Hasselblad camera with a 20-megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional color accuracy, sharpness, and 4K video quality that's second to none. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mavic 3 Pro offers unmatched safety by detecting obstacles in every direction. It boasts an impressive 43-minute flight time per battery and a 50,000-foot transmission range, ensuring you can fly farther and longer with confidence. The included DJI RC controller has a bright built-in display and 10-bit color grading, while Vision Assist gives you an extra layer of control during complex shots. From documentaries to cinematic projects, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers professional-grade performance in every flight. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes the top spot as the ultimate all-rounder for both beginners and experts. Weighing under 249 grams, it's compact enough to skip registration but powerful enough to rival full-size drones. It captures 4K HDR video and supports vertical recording, making it perfect for YouTube or social media creators. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, it avoids collisions automatically, while Active Track 360 degrees and Quick Shots modes let you create professional-looking clips at the tap of a button. You'll get up to 34 minutes of flight time, extendable with extra batteries, and an impressive 65,000-foot transmission range for long-distance filming. With its advanced camera, intelligent flight features, and unmatched ease of use, the Mini 4 Pro stands out as the best overall drone for any adventure. And that wraps up our list of the top 6 best drones available right now. Which one would you take on your next trip? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching. This is ICS Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.